Okay, welcome back to my noble channel. Okay, since tomorrow we have a major news coming, that's the NFP, and I have seen an opportunity on silver. I've seen an opportunity on silver, which is telling me NFP is likely to be negative. NFP is what is likely to be negative. So, this is silver daily time frame. So, silver is in an uptrend. It's in a serious uptrend, as we can see from the what from the daily time frame. When we mark out our trend lines, we are seeing silver what on a massive what bull run. Silver on a massive what bull run. So now this is what I'll be doing. um Silver got to this whole zone and what rejected. That's the all-time highs. So silver got to this whole zone and what rejected. So since we are in an uptrend, we should be looking for what buys opportunity. So we take out our Fibonacci retracement tool from where price had a rejection from the trend line. We bring it to where price had a what current rejection. Now when we look at our fib levels, we can clearly see that the 0.5 level is respecting to a previous support at this whole zone, and at this whole zone, and as well as what the trend line as well. And we can see the 0.5 level rejecting. So when we strike back to the 4 hour time frame, we can see silver giving us an interesting pattern as a falling wedge. So anytime we see a falling wedge, it tells us that price is likely to break out from this whole zone, come retest a support level, or come to this whole area again, or retest this whole zone again, and then what shoots up. So I'm expecting to see these two things. When we look at the state of the RSI from the 4 hour time frame, price could come, price could do this. Since we've gotten the breakout, price could come all the way to this level, give us a double bottom, breakout, retest, and what shoot up to this whole target. This is what I'm expecting to see. I'm expecting to see this because yesterday we saw a lot of what buying momentum on silver. So now I am expecting a pullback to this whole zone, or I'm expecting a pullback to this whole zone, reject, and then what come all the way to this level. So I'm very bullish on silver. Since tomorrow is what NFP, we are trading towards what NFP. So as soon as when price is able to approach this whole support, I would want to see the RSI at this whole zone, giving me higher lows and a higher high, prompting for a bullish divergent. That's what I'm expecting to see. I'm expecting to see a bullish divergent on on silver. I'm expecting to see a bullish divergent on silver, of which price giving me um a higher low and a higher high, and the market itself giving me a kind of double bottom, as we are seeing on the chart. So this is a falling wedge, and a falling wedge leads to a breakout to the upside direction. So I'll just be targeting silver from this whole level. Let's targeting silver from this whole level, and my target will be at this prime zone, and my stop loss will be at this whole zone. So I'm just expecting price to come to this whole level, just come to this whole level, and we reject up, or I would like to see price coming down all the way to this whole level, giving me a double bottom before a shoot up to the upside direction. So this is what I'm expecting to see on silver. So that's my setup towards NFP.